What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Alonzo. About to go ahead and kick this video off. About to go ahead and get myself a high mid type of with a lineup. So right now I'm sitting in my first guideline, ball guideline with my Slimline Pro LIs. Cleaning it up underneath. And also, I'm not giving myself a full haircut. I'm on like week 4 or month in of woofing right now, so I'm just trying to maintain the fresh look. So I'm just giving myself a taper and a lineup. Alright, so right now I'm about to go ahead and start debulking. I got my number 3 guard on my clippers, my Wild Magic clips. And we just getting rid of some of the bulk at the top to leave space for what we're gonna work with. Now I got my number 2 guard on. I'm just basically blending down in the area that I'm gonna fade in. So number 2 guard. Then after that, probably gonna start fading up. But we're gonna see as we go. So now I got my Asta Fast Feeds. And I'm sitting in that second guideline. My Asta Fast Feeds, the blades are open, all the way open, and I'm sitting in that guideline, about half an inch going up. Right now I got my 1 guard on, finna sit in that 3rd guideline, 2nd or 3rd guideline, whichever one you want to count. I got the bold guideline, I got my Asta Feeds open guideline, then I got my 1 guard with my Wild Magic clips. And as I go down, I close the level to get rid of that 3rd guideline. It's not gonna go away all the way, but it's just gonna fade away. Then we just gonna switch the guards out and keep going lower and lower until that line disappears. Right now I put on my 1.5 guard just to give it a little bit more bulk. As you see throughout the video, I'm gonna be getting rid of some bulk areas. I'll be all over the place sometimes every time I cut my hair, so each time is different for me. But right now we got the 0 guard or the half guard on right now. About to knock out that 2nd guideline. Just keep flicking at it. Flick to the line, don't go above the line, or you're gonna create another guideline and you're just gonna push your fade up even higher, and it's just not gonna look right. So flick to the line. It might not look like it's gonna go away, but just keep working at it and it'll eventually go away. Now to get rid of that bald line, I got my Wild Magic clips. Clipper, the blade is all the way closed, and we just notching at that bald line. Flicking to the line once again, not going above it, or we just gonna create a higher bald line. So we just flicking at it, we're using the corner of our blade, not the full blade, and then flicking at it till it goes away, keep working at it. So right now I'm using my Asta Fast Feeds, just knocking out some dark areas, basically just detailing. The fade is pretty much done right now, so just going over a few more spots to get rid of some dark lines that I see. So right now I got the one guard on, blade open, going with the grain, just once again knocking down some bulk areas, laying down the hair as well. Also, if that ball line is not going away, whatever you put your ball line in with, you can also use that same blade to get that line out with. So I went back to my Slimline Pros to get that ball line out. So right now I'm just basically doing the other side, and every other step is gonna be the same. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch and vibe to the music. So for some reason, my left side of my head is always the most difficult part for me. Mainly because I'm right-handed, and also because my hair goes in a different direction than my right side. On my left side, it goes from back to front. So I gotta fade in a different direction against the grain, and it just doesn't work for me all the time, but we're gonna knock it out. So right now I'm about to prep my line up. I like to use Tresemme hose spray number 4, and I'm just gonna spray that to my front line and brush it in 2 times. We're gonna let that sit in there for a while and move on to the back of the fade, and then we're gonna come back to the front and line it up.
Ace Banks on the track.
Now for the back taper, we're gonna use the same steps as the side tapers. Only difference is I'm putting in a U-shape bald line. The reason is because I like to have my the side of my neckline darker, so I don't want to take all that out with a straight bald line, so I curve it. But you'll see once the fade comes in how it looks. Now as you can see, I got one side of the fade all complete. Not all the way complete, but it's looking good right now. I gotta do a few detailing work in there, but as you can see, it's looking pretty good right now.
Ace Banks on the track. Ace Banks on the track.
We pretty much got the back tape all complete and done right now, so about to move on to my front line, get myself an edge up. And yes, I already know that my edge up is kind of lopsided, so you don't need to tell me anything. That's just how it naturally grows right now, so we're just gonna keep it as natural as we can. No pushbacks, no nothing. And once again, yes, I already know that my lineup is kind of lopsided, but it's gonna look good at the end of the day. So right now you're gonna see me stay in this corner area for a good while. Sometimes it's hard for me to get that little corner area real sharp. I can always get the other side sharp, but I can't get this side sharp. But I'm gonna get it as good as I can, and we're just gonna work with it.
Ace Banks on the track.
Alright, now we just lining up behind the ears, finishing up the haircut, and we're gonna see how it looks at the end. Alright YouTube, this is the final cut. Let me know how you like it. Please hit that like button, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. We're gonna come with some more videos soon. Appreciate all the love. Ain't no love, y'all ain't gave me no love yet. It's my first video. Appreciate you watching. Please hit that like button, make a comment, share it, and subscribe right now. I'm out.